Yeah, I know. Dealing with wires, trying to get good quality audio can be just really frustrating. You got to deal with the wire, got to put it on talent, got to get it through their shirt, make sure it's not rubbing. I get it. But you want your videos to sound crisp and professional, but dealing with audio can feel like learning a whole new language. Today, we're going to break down how to use the SmallRig S70 Wireless lavalier system. This thing is amazing. Comes in this tiny charging kit right here, and it's honestly one of the easiest microphone setups out there. And by the time we get done with this video, you'll be capturing crystal clear audio like a pro. But before we get started, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Inside the case, you've got these three main pieces. First, the receiver. Think of this as the brain. It's the piece that plugs directly into your phone, camera, or laptop. Then you have two transmitters. These are the actual microphones that clip onto your shirt. What's amazing about these things is they're so small, so discreet, you really don't even see it. And what's great about it, they come auto-paired right out of the box. Step one is getting your receiver hooked up to your recording device. And once it's plugged in, look for the little indicator light. When it goes solid, you're connected and ready to record. Now, grab a transmitter or the microphone. You can use the built-in clip to attach to your collar, your jacket, or somewhere on your neckline on the shirt that you're wearing. Position it about 8 inches below your chin. I usually try to do like thumb to finger. If it's too close, it's going to sound muddy or distorted. If it's too distant, you're going to get a lot of room noise and echo. On the side of the mic, you'll see a couple of buttons. The main one you need to know is for noise cancellation. If you're shooting outside, you're getting wind and that kind of a thing, or if you're in a room with a loud AC running, press that noise cancellation button and that will really help. Now, before you sit down with an important client or yourself that you got one chance to do this thing, make sure you go ahead and do a 10-second test rule. Hit record, go ahead and record a few words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, play it back so you can hear it and make sure it sounds good. That's it. No messy wires, no complicated menus, just plug, clip, and play. Got the microphone right here. Hey, if this walkthrough helped you out, please drop us a like, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, go ahead and hit that bell so you can get notified when I post the next video. Hey, if you got any questions or comments, love to hear from you. Go ahead and hit me up in the comments. I'll make sure I get right back to you right away. We'll catch you on the next video. Holla back.